Before you laugh at what you're about to see, just pause for a second, because what you're watching right now is not a joke, and it's not a filter either. This is a real piece of content created entirely with AI. And the reason I'm showing this example first is simple. It shows you exactly how far things have already gone. Now let me show you something else. This Instagram page you're seeing right now is pulling massive views, consistent engagement, and regular brand deals. The content looks natural, the personality feels real, and the audience treats it like any other creator. But here's the twist. This influencer doesn't exist. It's not a real person. It's an AI influencer. And the same goes for this second page as well. Different style, different personality, different audience, but the same idea. AI influencers are no longer experiments. They're already part of the creator economy. And whether you love them or hate them, they're not going away. That's exactly why Higgsfield launched AI Influencer Studio. Not to create random avatars, but to give creators real control. Control over identity, style, expressions, motion, and consistency. You can choose how your influencer looks, how they move, what kind of content they create, and how cinematic or realistic you want them to feel. You're not locked into one preset. You're building a digital persona from scratch. In this video, I'll show you how this actually works. Not theory, not hype. You'll see how an AI influencer is created, animated, and turned into content that's ready for social media. And by the end, you'll understand why creators are already using tools like this to build pages, grow audiences, and even monetize without ever being on camera. So now that you've seen the example, let's break down how this is done step by step using Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio.
You'd be like, why didn't you call me back? And I'd be like, why are you so obsessed with me?
Apart from this, currently Higsfield is also running their special official creator program where you can join Higgsfield Earn to get paid for your content. And yes, you can see that creators have earned this much amount using this. To earn, you simply need to click on Start Earning. By the way, you will get the link to this page in the video description as well, so go and check it out.
You'll find the link to Higsfield in the description, or you can simply search higgsfield.ai in your browser to land on this page. The interface is clean, modern, and clearly built for creators. Right on the homepage, you'll see multiple reference videos and examples that give you a quick idea of what's possible. If you look at the top menu, you'll immediately notice that Higgsfield isn't a single-use platform. It's one of the fastest-growing Gen AI platforms built with one clear goal: to make AI content creation genuinely creator-friendly. Inside, you'll find a wide range of tools designed to help creators experiment, iterate, and produce content efficiently. Under the image section, there are several powerful image generation models, including Nano Banana Pro, Higgsfield Soul, GPT Image 1.5, and more. Then you have dedicated sections for video, editing, characters, InPaint, Cinema Studio, motion control, and finally the feature we're focusing on today, AI Influencer. Once you click on AI Influencer, the layout is very simple. On the left, you'll see examples of influencers already created using this tool. In the center, this is where your influencer will appear. And on the right, you get all the customization controls. To start, you just click on Create New. From here, you can either use Builder Mode, where you customize everything visually, or Prompt Mode, where you describe your character in detail. In Builder Mode, you can choose the character type, not just humans, but also creatures like insects or reptiles, along with gender, ethnicity, skin tone, eye color, age group, and more. If you enable advanced settings, you unlock even deeper customization options. Now that you have a clear idea of what's possible, let's move forward and start building our first AI influencer. First, I'll choose the character type. There are multiple options available, but this time I'm going with human because I want a realistic-looking AI avatar. Next, you can select the gender. There are several options here, but for this example, I'm choosing female. After that comes ethnicity, and this is where things get interesting. You're not limited to just one option. You can actually select multiple ethnicities and blend them together. To show you how this works, I'll first select European, and then I'll also add Asian. This way, you can mix features and create a more unique-looking character instead of something generic. Once that's done, you move on to skin color. Again, you have multiple choices here, and you can even mix tones if you want. For now, I'll keep it simple and go with white. After that, you can choose the eye color. I personally like green eyes, so I'll select green here. Next, you'll see options for skin conditions, which add realism and character detail. For example, you can choose things like vitiligo, scars, or pigmentation. I won't apply anything right now, but it's good to know that these options are available if you want a more realistic or distinctive look. Then you choose the age group. You can pick adult, mature, or senior. For this avatar, I'm going with adult. Below this, there's an option to enable advanced settings, which unlocks even deeper customization, but for now, I'll keep it turned off so we can focus on the basics. Once all of this is set, I'll simply click on Generate. And yes, one important thing to note here is that you can generate AI influencers for free, which makes it very easy to experiment. So let's click Generate and see what we get. Once the character is ready, you get multiple options right here. You can download the image, regenerate it if you want a different look, or directly edit it using Nano Banana Pro. If I click on Edit in Nano Banana Pro, it opens a powerful editing interface. From here, you can choose the generation model, adjust the aspect ratio, set the resolution, decide how many images you want to generate, and even use the Draw to Edit feature. This allows you to literally draw over an area and tell the AI what to change, which is extremely useful for fine control. For now, I'm not editing anything, but it's good to know how flexible this is. Next, you also have the option to turn this influencer into a video. Right below, you'll find the free viral motion library. If you click on Explore More, you'll see a collection of ready-made motion styles that you can apply to your influencer. You can also recreate motion from an existing video using your image, which means you can copy movements and expressions very easily. Here, you can choose the video quality from 720p to 1080p, enable scene control if needed, and then simply select the motion you like. Once everything looks good, just click on Generate. As you can see, the generation starts immediately. You also get free generations, which makes it easy to test different motions before committing fully. And that's how you go from a static AI influencer to a moving realistic video in just a few clicks.
Who do you think you are? You were sucking dick for a foreign car.
So yeah, this is just a small glimpse of what Higgsfield can actually do. From creating realistic AI influencers to turning them into high-quality videos with motion control, everything is built to save time and give creators full creative freedom. There are many more tools inside the platform that you can explore on your own,